Flu season is here, and if you haven't gotten your flu shot yet, the Oregon Health Authority is urging people to get one soon so we don't have a twin-demic. Fox 12's Drew Marine spoke with doctors in the metro area today about the importance of getting those flu shots and also how to differentiate between COVID-19 symptoms and also flu symptoms. Drew?
Right. Sometimes after people get flu shots, they can experience symptoms like a low-grade fever or fatigue. And since sometimes that can be a symptom, those can be symptoms of COVID-19, doctors want to make sure people know the difference between the two.
The Oregon Health Authority just reported the highest weekly total of new cases to date, with just over 2,400 reported. And now that flu season is here, the OHA is urging people to get their flu shot so we don't deal with what they're saying could be a twin-demic.
We have seen overwhelmed healthcare systems across the world. On a bad year, influenza could do that on its own. And so we're facing a winter season here where potentially both of those could come into effect at the same time. And so that could be a very bad setup.
Dr. SAEED is an urgent care physician at the Portland Clinic who says because there are so many symptoms between COVID-19 and the flu that overlap, COVID-19 testing will be really important this winter.
I don't think that most people will be able to figure out the difference without testing, actually. The symptoms which would be common with both would be things like cough, runny nose, nasal congestion, sore throat, fevers, body aches, headaches.
Both say after getting a flu shot, some may experience mild symptoms like fatigue or a low-grade fever. And with so many symptoms to be on alert about, Dr. MATTHIEU with the East Portland Pediatric Clinic gives some advice for what to keep in mind.
One of the ways that you'll know is the timing of it. So if your fever is happening that day or the next day after your flu shot, that's a really good indication that it's from your flu shot and not COVID-19. And it's also usually pretty brief. So it's over with within an hour or a day.
And they say, of course, you can just call your doctor if you're confused about any of these symptoms and they can help you out. OHSU also has a chart that they provided to us that kind of explains the differences between flu-like symptoms and COVID-19 symptoms. And you can find that on our website, kptv.com. Live in Southeast Portland, Drew Marine, Fox 12 Oregon.